Preface to No Animal Food and Nutrition and Diet with Vegetable Recipes by Rupert H. Weldon. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Preface. The title of this book is not ambiguous, but as it relates to a subject rarely thought about by the generality of people, it may save some misapprehension if at once it is plainly stated that the following pages are in vindication of a dietary consisting wholly of products of the vegetable kingdom, and which therefore excludes not only flesh, fish, and fowl, but milk and eggs, and products manufactured therefrom. The author. This work is reprinted from the English edition with changes better adapting it to the American reader. The publishers. Man's food. Health and happiness are within the reach of those who provide themselves with good food, clean water, fresh air, and exercise. A ceaseless and relentless hand is laid on almost every animal to provide food for human beings. Nothing that lives or grows is missed by man in his search for food to satisfy his appetite. Natural appetite is satisfied with vegetable food, the basis for highest and best health and development. History of primitive man we know, but the possibilities of perfected and complete man are not yet attained. Adequate and pleasant food comes to us from the soil direct, favorable for health and preventive against disease. Plant food is man's natural diet, ample, suitable, and available, obtainable with the least labor and expense, and in pleasing form and variety. Animal food will be useful in emergency, also at other times. Still, plant substance is more favorable to health, endurance, and power of mind. Variety of food is desirable and natural. It is abundantly supplied by the growth of the soil under cultivation. Races of intelligence and strength are to be found subsisting and thriving on an exclusive plant-grown diet. The health and patience of vegetarians meet the social, mental, and physical tests of life with less disease and less risk of dependence in old age. Meat eaters have no advantages which do not belong also to those whose food is vegetable. Plant food, the principal diet of the world, has one serious drawback. It is not always savory or palatable. Plant diet to be savory requires fat or oil to be added to it. Nuts, peanut, and olive oil supply it to the best advantage. Plant diet with butter, cream, milk, cheese, eggs, lard, fat, suet, or tallow added to it is not vegetarian. It is mixed diet, the same in effect as if meat were used. Elmer Lee, M.D., Editor, Health Culture Magazine. End of preface.